several people who have differing needs are very employable.
Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s recent comments about autism in America have certainly stirred debate. Among Kennedy's comments, people with autism will never pay taxes or hold a job. Carissa Cordell is live in Willard this evening after speaking to a local business that employs people with disabilities.
Yeah, the Hive is a nonprofit that hires people to work for just a total of 500 hours, paying them minimum wage during that time so they can gain experience in the workforce. Now, the director here at the Hive tells me she believes people with autism are absolutely employable.
These are kids who will never pay taxes. They'll never hold a job.
The people who really want to work and have that for a goal, then they're very employable, and they just maybe need some more practice time at work skills.
The Hive in Willard is an inclusive cafe.
We try to strive for like a 50-50 mix of people typically developing and people with differing abilities here at the Hive.
The nonprofit is a way for people with differing needs to get experience in the workforce.
It's been really great.
Jonathan Melvin has worked at the Hive for almost 3 years now.
What do you do here?
Basically everything needs to be done. Dishwashing, register work, drinks, anything that needs to be done, really.
He tells me when he first started working at the Hive, it was nerve-wracking, but he eventually got the hang of it.
Having to work register, talking to people, kind of was an intimidating prospect for me at first. But with enough time and effort, it just comes naturally. Just like that.
At a press conference, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. called autism a preventable disease and said environmental toxins are the cause, rejecting the theory that rising rates are due to better diagnoses.
We have to recognize we are doing this to our children, and we need to put an end to it.
If it's recognizable off the bat that someone is different, then the neurotypicals easily make judgments, but maybe just, give people a chance, be a little extra patient, because people really do want to work. That's their goal.
The director here tells me that some of their past employees who are on the spectrum were able to get jobs out in the community. Reporting live in Willard, I'm Carissa Cordell, Ozarks First.